Hey everybody, how you doing? IntoWeapons back again with you. Got the Arsenal SLR-107fr at the range today. Got a Romanian, Polish, Bulgarian, US, and Russian magazine. 7.62 by 39 Tula. We got a target out there at 25 yards. First time shooting this gun. Besides the test function. Alright, we'll run through these mags and see how she operates. Got the Romanian up first. We got Polish up second. Bulgarian Waffle. We got a Tapco. Tula Russian bakelite. Everything flawless. Alright, see what kind of groupings we can get at 25 yards. Alright everybody, this is where we ended up on the target. Shooting a little bit low initially, was able to raise it up, and shot a few decent groups here. The first one, second one, third one, and there's the fourth one, and the fifth one. And that's just you know, shooting at a pretty decent pace, not trying my very hardest, but as you know, I don't got the best shot in the world. So overall, no malfunctions, 100 rounds, 5 different magazines, and very impressed with the rifle. Thanks a lot, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Until next time, take her easy.